What's up guys? Welcome back again to our channel. This is Orbs again po. And of course today another blessed day and of course another reaction video tayo. Guys, sobrang excited ako today because finally, in-upload na po ng official YouTube channel ng Britain's Got Talent ang performance po ni Matty J sa kanilang competition. Sobrang nakaka-excite guys. Ang tagal kong hinintay to. As you all know guys, sa previous video natin, pinanood natin ng sabay-sabay ang unang niyang performance audition niya, no? And I know some of you already know that si Simon Cowell, binigyan po siya ng golden buzzer, no? Sobrang nakaka-proud na maging isang Pilipino pagka merong mga ganitong gumagawa ng history sa ibang bansa, no? When it comes on singing. Of course, guys, alam niyo na yan. And today, second performance na ni Matty J, no? And panoorin natin ng sabay-sabay. And please bear with me guys, I need to pause and play again the video. Napapanood ko po yung mga nakikita ko po yung mga comments ninyo, suggestions ninyo. Thank you so much, I love you so much for that. But I need to follow the rules of YouTube, no? Kasi po tayo po ay gumagawa ng reaction video, so might as well later po ipopost ko po yung original link ng kanyang performance sa ating description. You can watch ng full yung kanyang performance, no, nang wala pong sagabal. And again, tara na, panoorin na natin to. Let's do this guys. Sama-sama nating bigyan ng reaction yung performance ni Matty J dito. Let's do this. Ito na po. Woo!
Every time that I look in the mirror.
Ooh, first line, sobrang ganda. And look at that guys, I hope nakikita ninyo, no? Ay, sorry. Kasi guys, kailangan ko din i-lighten up yung video, no? Kasi isa to sa mga rules. And guys, i-describe ko sa inyo, sobrang ganda ng staging ng Britain's Got Talent. Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. And nandun na po si Matty J, all in black. Nice.
All these lines on my face getting clearer.
Ooh, that sexy line. Okay, naririnig nyo naman, no, yung quality of voice ni Matty. Very versatile tong si Matty. And mataas din po ang kanyang voice range, which is very nice, no, para sa isang male singer.
The past is gone.
Oh,
it went by.
Guys, as you can see, no, yung reaction ni Matty dito, yung facial expression, the aura, the energy, it's giving me chills guys. Habang naririnig ko ang kanyang boses and nakikita ko ang kanyang facial expression dito.
Like dusk to dawn. Isn't that the way? Everybody's got their dues in life to pay.
Woo! Guys, I feel it. Very mataas tong kanta na to, no? And this is guys, the dreamy of Aerosmith. Kilala nyo naman si Aerosmith guys. Alam nyo yung mga song niyan. Sobrang taas ng mga song na yan. And tignan natin anong flavor bibigay sa atin ni Matty dito. Excited na ako sa mga high ranges. Hi! Sobrang solid ng boses ni Matty, no? And every line, every word, nandoon talaga yung power, yung energy, and of course, the quality of the voice, very nice, very perfecto. Those runs, sobrang ganda nun. Low run, sobrang nice. And guys, look at that, no? Kung nakikita nyo man, no? Meron po siyang backup singers. Ang dami niyang backup singers. Which is, parang pang finale na tong performance na to. Usually, ganito yung mga napapanood ko sa finale na to eh.
You know it's true.
Hey!
All the things
Narinig nyo ba yung growl na yun, guys? Narinig nyo yung growl na yun? Sobrang nice. Sobrang ganda nun. Nice, nice, nice.
Things come back to you. Sing with me, sing for me, sing for the laughter, sing for the tears.
Hey, the energy, the vibes ni Mati dito. Sobrang align na align sa song, no?
Sing with me, it's just for a day. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away.
Sobrang ganda ng range na yon. Hindi pa sigaw, nandoon siya, quality, sobrang quality. Ang ganda ng range na yon. Nice.
Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on till your dreams come.
And guys, do what I can notice also, the effects ng stage, sobrang ganda. Ganito talaga yung level ng international competition, no? Dapat ganito yung mga staging, dapat yung mga hindi ko naman sinasabing pangit yung staging dito sa atin ha, sa mga competitions ng singing dito or what's not. But sana ganito rin kaganda yung mga staging, no, dito sa local sa Philippines, no? Para sobrang nagbibigyan ng buhay yung performance ng isang artist. Agree ba kayo? Please comment down below.
Dream on, dream on, dream on.
Holy! Sobrang ganda. Ang taas ni tinaas pa ni Mati. Sobrang nice naman ang performance na yan. It's giving me chill, guys. Sobrang nice ng runs na yon. Sobrang perfection. Perfection. Ayan ang flavor na binibigay sa atin ni Mati. Sobrang ganda. Nice.
Sing for the laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me if it's just for a day.
Kita nyo ba yung reaction ng mga judges, guys? No, sobrang jaw drop na sila, like, and they are ready to stand up na para sa performance na to ni Mati, which is very good sign ng kanyang performance sa competitions na to.
Maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away.
Holy smoke! Sobrang ganda ng mga high range ni Mati dito. Like hindi siya shout, hindi siya sobrang over. It's very perfect lang doon sa tono. Like, perfection. Like, napifeel ko si Mati dito, give all na talaga. Like, bibigay ko ng lahat. Ito na. Like, sobrang galing.
Sing for the laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me if it's just for the day. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord.
Holy smoke! Napakaganda nun. Take my mat ni Mati. Sobrang galing. Napakaganda.
Will take you
So, ganun niya po tinapos ang kanta na to, no? Yung performance niya na to, ganito niya tinapos. Holy smoke! Para pong pang finale na ang atake ni Mati dito. I don't know what to say. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang positive sa akin ng performance na to. And I feel something about it. Let's see. Woo! Ay, Mati. Super cute. Oh, standing ovation, guys, from the judges. Of course, 4 yan sila. And 2 lang yung kilala ko so far. Comment down below, guys, kung kilala nyo yung 4 na judges. Lagay nyo naman sa baba. I know Simon Gowell and we have Amanda. Oh, daming tao. Wow. Sobrang nice ng stage nila. Sobrang ganda, oh. Sobrang ganda.
I feel like I've just met a superstar. Alicia, let's start with you.
Honey! Woo! I don't even know what to say. You are just effortlessly sensational, singing with every ooh. It just pours out of you so easily. Those
Wow.
high notes are just so sweet.
Sobrang totoo, no? Perfection yung high notes niya. Yung range, sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng performance na to ni Mati. Sobrang perfect nito para sa akin.
And it's just so lovely to sit back, relax, enjoy the show. That was a stellar masterclass performance of how to deliver a Class A vocal. Well done.
Nice comment! Sobrang ganda nun, ha?
So, let me just, you might need to hear this.
Nagkakagulo na yung mga audience. Sobrang di natatapos yung sigawan.
You just might need to hear this. I asked the producers.
Is this a negative comment? I don't know. Let's see.
So I said to the
Oh, they are asking to press the golden buzzer again. Oh, di ba meron na siyang... Di ba golden buzzer na siya? So, there's another one? Pwede ba yun? I don't know the mechanics, guys. Please comment down below kung alam niyo yung mechanics na to. I don't know. But I feel na nire-request ng audience ang golden buzzer.
producers tonight, so if I don't press my golden buzzer, what happens? And they said it goes to the audience. But I said, I'm not giving it to the audience.
Nice. Another golden buzzer. Sobrang nice naman nun. Ito pala.
Live show Golden Buzzer!
So, pupunta na siya sa finals. Tama ba ako? Guys, chat, comment down please.
Matty, congratulations. We'll chat in a second, but just briefly,
Golden buzzer.
I mean, fantastic. You were absolutely incredible. That was, you're such a great singer, man. I can't wait to see more of you, honestly.
Hey.
Alicia summed it up when she said that was a masterclass. That is what it's all about. Great song. Your range is incredible.
Oh, from Simon Cowell, your range is incredible. Which is true, correct. Perfection.
And you know what? You are the sweetest person. I'm so happy for you. 2 golden buzzers. That's not bad, right?
Hey, pwede pala yun, no? So, pwede maging 4 ang golden buzzer. I don't know. Let's see.
Matty, congratulations. What a special night for you. A live show Golden Buzzer. The family are here. They've flown in especially from the Philippines.
Yay, Filipinos!
How do you feel?
I feel crazy right now. Life is not real. Oh my god!
That's Mati. Natural ni Mati, no? Yung mga ganyan niya. Kung napapanood yung mga videos niya before, ganyan talaga siya.
your first audition went down very well in the Philippines. This is going to go down even bigger,
Oh
right?
my gosh, more followers! Yeah!
Yes, guys, may social medias platforms po si Mati. You can follow him, no? Alam niyo na yan, kayang-kaya niyo na yan, hanapin. Kayo pa ba?
The big question, of course, though, on everybody's lips is, have you watched Star Wars yet?
Guys, I really tried. I'm about 15 minutes in, but after tonight, I'll finish the whole thing!
So you should. Well done, mate. So Matty gets tonight's Golden Buzzer and he goes straight through to the live final. Let's hear it one more time, everybody, for Matty Harniata!
Nice, Mati! Hey, walk, walk, walk. I think that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy, no? Sobrang nakaka-proud si Mati, another golden buzzer, and let's see kung diretso na tayo sa final sana, no? And bigyan tayo ng another pasabog performance ni Mati. But let's wait on that and abangan natin yan, no? And guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin, and na-reach na po natin, no, ang mga times natin dito sa YouTube. And I promise you guys, if I will get my first payment on this YouTube channel ko, no, gagawa po tayo ng something to give back, no, sa mga tao na nanonood sa ating channel. And guys, please comment down below kung may mga suggestions kayo whatsoever para sa future gawin natin siya. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. Again po, ako po si Orbs, and kita-kita po tayo sa susunod nating video. Yun lamang po. See ya. God bless you all, guys.